Hey everyone, welcome back to English Buddy, your friendly place to learn simple, powerful English every single day. I'm Steve.
And I'm Nancy. And today's episode is going to be super fun and super useful. We're going to practice real English conversations that happen on your first day at work. New job, new people, new environment. It can feel scary, right?
Oh yes, you know that feeling. You're excited but also worried. What if I don't understand? What if I say something wrong? But don't worry. Today we'll walk through it together, step by step, just like a real day.
And the best part? You'll learn the exact sentences you can use in real life. Simple, natural, friendly English. So if you ever start a new job, or even join a new class or a new team, you'll feel ready. Let's get started.
Okay, imagine this. You wake up early, you get ready, you reach your new office or workplace, and the first thing that happens is what?
The security guard or receptionist smiles and asks, "Hi, how can I help you?" And your brain goes, I work, new, joining, first day, and suddenly all the English disappears.
Yep, so let's fix that. Here's the very first sentence you can use. Repeat after us. I'm here for my first day. Say it with confidence.
It's so simple. You don't need big grammar. You don't need a long explanation. Just, I'm here for my first day.
You can also add the department or the person you're meeting. I'm here for my first day with the marketing team. Or, I'm here to meet Mr. Daniel.
Nice and easy. Okay, now let's imagine the receptionist says, "Welcome. Please take a seat. Your manager will come soon."
And now you wait. And waiting is when your brain starts worrying again.
Exactly. So let's walk through what happens next. Imagine your manager walks in and says, "Hi, you must be the new team member."
You smile and say, "Yes, I'm really happy to join the team."
Perfect. Simple. You don't need to impress anyone with complicated words like enthusiastic, delighted, privileged. Just say, "I'm happy to join the team."
And here's a very useful sentence you can use the whole day. Please let me know if I need to do anything differently.
This sentence shows you are professional, open-minded, and ready to learn.
Absolutely. Okay, let's move forward in our story. Your manager takes you inside the office, and now you meet your first coworker.
Ooh, the famous moment. "Hi, nice to meet you." So let's practice this.
I'll be the coworker. Hi, I'm Alex. Welcome to the team.
And I answer, "Hi, Alex. I'm Nancy. Nice to meet you."
Now let's add one more sentence to sound even friendlier. I'm excited to work with you.
See? Simple, natural, confident.
Now here's a tip. When you meet many new people, it's hard to remember names. So here's a good sentence. Sorry, can you repeat your name, please?
This is polite, and trust me, even native speakers ask this all the time.
Yes, it's very normal.
Okay, let's continue our little first day at work movie. Your manager gives you a small office tour. They show the cafeteria, the printing room, the meeting room. And maybe you didn't hear something clearly. Maybe they said, "This is the supply area," but you didn't understand.
So what do? You say, sorry, I didn't catch that. Could you say it again?
Great sentence. It doesn't sound rude. It doesn't sound weak. It sounds normal and polite.
And here's another one. Could you slow down a little? I'm still getting used to everything.
Yes, that line saves lives. I swear.
Mine too. I've used it many times when I was learning French.
Really?
Oh yes, my French teacher spoke like a rocket. I used to say, can you slow down at least 5 times every class?
So trust us. It's not embarrassing. It's normal.
Now imagine you reach your desk or your workspace. Maybe you have a computer, maybe you have a counter, maybe you work in a store or a school. Whatever the job is, the conversation is very similar.
Your manager says, "Take your time to settle in." And you can answer, "Thank you. Let me know if there's anything important I should read first."
This makes you look smart, responsible, and willing to learn.
And now let's add a small story. Imagine you're joining an IT company, like a software office. There's a guy named Sam sitting next to you.
Sam leans over and says, "Hey, I'm Sam. If you need any help, just ask."
You smile and say, "That's really kind, thank you. I might have a few questions later."
This creates a friendly relationship right from the beginning.
And trust me, friendly coworkers make everything easier.
Now here's an important part of your first day: asking questions. Many learners stay quiet because they're scared of making mistakes, but staying silent is more dangerous than speaking.
True. If you don't ask questions, people think you already understand everything.
So, here are 3 magic sentences. Could you show me how to do that? Is this correct? Or, can you check this for me?
These sentences make your communication clear and your work better.
Now let's imagine it's lunchtime. You walk into the cafeteria holding your tray. You feel like an alien in a new planet.
Yes, you sit alone in the corner, hoping someone talks to you.
But you don't have to wait. You can start. Walk to a group and say, "Hi, can I join you?"
That sounds confident and friendly. Most people will say, "Of course, come sit." And then they ask the classic question, "So, how's your first day going?"
You answer, "It's going great so far. Still learning everything, but I'm enjoying it."
Perfect.
Now maybe someone asks you where you're from. You answer simply, "I'm from Australia. I'm from Argentina. I'm from Mexico. I'm from Brazil." Whatever your country is, say it proudly.
And if they ask you what you did before this job, you can say, "I worked in customer service before," or "I just finished my studies." Simple. No need for long explanations.
Now another important moment. You make a mistake. Maybe you send the wrong email. Maybe you forget a step. Maybe you misunderstand something.
It happens to everyone. So here's what you say. "Sorry about that. I'm still learning the system. I'll fix it."
That sentence shows honesty plus responsibility plus confidence.
Yes, no panic, no fear. Just a simple correction.
And now we reach the last part of the workday. Your manager comes and asks, "How was your first day?"
You can answer, "It was really good. Thank you for all the help today."
And then add, "I'm excited to learn more tomorrow."
That's it. Your first day is officially successful.
And you did it using simple, natural English.
Before we wrap up, let's practice a few key sentences together. Repeat after us.
I'm here for my first day.
Nice to meet you.
Could you repeat that, please?
Can you show me how to do that?
Sorry, I didn't catch that.
It's going great so far.
I'll fix it.
I'm excited to work with you.
These sentences will help you not only on the first day of work, but in any new environment.
School, college, office, part-time job, volunteer work, anywhere.
And remember, mistakes are normal. Silence is the real problem.
Speak, try, learn, improve. That's the process.
And we're here to make that process easier.
Thanks for joining us today.
If you enjoyed this episode, make sure to come back for more easy English conversations.
Take care, everyone. See you in the next one.